What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Cardinal Red. We back for another repair video. We're working on the GMC Acadia 2007. And today we're having a problem with the intake manifold tuning valve. As you can see, it's this black piece right here at the end of the intake. This is a quick repair. There are only 3 bolts holding it in. You remove those 3 bolts and the 1 wire connection to the tuning valve, and it's in a pretty tight spot, but it's able to be pulled out, as you can see. You might have to push back some of the other wiring, and that little flip top right there that's over top of the connection to the battery, you might have to flip that up or even remove it just to have just enough space to get it out, but it will come out. Believe me, it comes out. It doesn't look like it can fit out of that little space, but it came right out. And that's it right there. That's pretty much it. You just reverse the process to put it back in. 3 bolts and 1 connection. I also was having a problem with oil in my intake, so I was going to change out the PCV, which is right here. But unfortunately, I guess over time it's become connected to the block, so I didn't want to break it. So that's something I'm gonna take to the dealer one of these days to try to get them to loosen it up for me, and I'll replace it later. As you can see, I got the part from Parts Direct. They are the only company, GM, unless you go to the GM dealer, that you can find this specific part. The only company, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, Bumper to Bumper, nobody offers it except GM dealerships and GM Parts Direct. So I will put the parts number in the description box below, and let's finish this repair up. So like I said, there are only 3 bolts holding this in and 1 wire connection. Just to reverse the process, you put the tuning valve back into its housing, and start your bolts off. I would say start with the one I'm on right here, because the lower one is kind of in a difficult spot, and I couldn't hold the camera and screw that one in at the same time, so I guess I'm not that ambidextrous. So I couldn't do that, but everything went back simple. This is like a 15-minute at the most repair. If I didn't have to wait a day and a half to receive the part in the mail, I would have finished this in 15 minutes. As far as the PCV valve goes, that for some reason those things where they're located on that side of the motor, it's like an intake for oil over there, so it sucks oil into the intake snorkel. So some point I'm gonna have to have that replaced, or I'm just gonna be replacing this tuning valve every 100,000 miles or so. But like I said, this is a simple fix. Anybody can do it. I didn't see a lot of tutorials on YouTube about how to fix this problem. The problem I was actually having was some power loss issues, and there was a funny noise when it finally went completely out that was coming from the actual tuning valve. It's like a loud ticking when you hit 2,000 RPM. So like I said, just reverse the process. Actually cleaned the oil out of the snorkel, and I changed the oil too. So if you guys want to check out me changing the oil on here, which was for some reason, man, the last 2 cars I've gotten, for some reason people stick those oil drain plugs on there so tight I just can't get them off. So I have to use this little this tool that locks into the drain bolt to actually get the drain bolt to come off. So other than that, to do the oil, to do the tuning valve, and to change the PCV valve would probably take you all of an hour, and that would make your car run a lot better. I'm not gonna say like new, but a lot better. And here I'm just checking make sure all the codes are cleared out, and I did do a live data test. It's your boy Cardinal Red, and thanks for joining me on my auto repair on the 2007 GMC Acadia for the tuning valve. Check the description for more info.